Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a CSS file using Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Go to the File menu and click New. Now type your CSS code into the editor. For example, you can create a simple CSS rule for the web page background and heading. You can use the background color property to change the background color. You can also use the font size property to change the size of a heading or other text. Once you have entered your CSS code, save the file. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the file. For the file name, type Style CSS. If needed, select all types from the Save as Type option, then click Save. Your CSS file is now saved. You can edit the CSS code at any time by clicking inside the editor and changing the properties or values. For example, you can change the background color, font size, text color, spacing, or other CSS properties. After making your changes, press Ctrl and S together to save the file. If this CSS file is connected to an HTML web page, open that web page in your browser to see the changes. After saving the CSS file, refresh the browser to view the updated design. You can continue editing the CSS, saving the file, and refreshing the web page until you get the result you want. Notepad++ is a simple and lightweight editor that makes it easy to create and edit CSS files. And that's how you can edit CSS in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Notepad++ tutorials.